it's over, empty, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like somebody else is drinking. This could not be happening to me. I were there, you were everything I never see. You woke me up from this long and endless dream. I was alone, I opened my eyes, and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, living just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for once when someone else mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type of dreams that could be more. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never see. You walked me up from this long and endless dream. I was alone, I opened my eyes, and you were there. Can't take your smile home with me. All the magic in your hands. My heart stopped, this forest fast. Look at all the colors of the suns you were there. I suppose that you believe it, but I want you to know, part of you stays with me, giving out to you go, like an actor playing someone else's scene. This cannot be happening to me. And you were there.